Okay. Now let us solve the exercise 3.1, page 75. The problems which are involving the general solutions. General solutions, all the solutions of trigonometric functions which are obtained by using these formulae, they are called as general solutions. और प्रिंसिपल सोल्यूशन वो होता है जो आपका जो प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू रेंज जो होता है ना ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन उस रेंज को यूज करके जो फाइंड आउट करते हैं उसको कहते हैं प्रिंसिपल सोल्यूशन एंड जनरल सोल्यूशन इज द वन व्हिच इज फाउंड बाय यूजिंग एनी ऑफ दीज 9 formulae. So let us begin with the first one. Question number 3, so part 1. Sin theta is equal to half. Sin theta is equal to half. So I would say this is nothing but sin theta is equal to sine of pi by 6. And now I use the formula sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times alpha. Well, this is the formula. So here for alpha is pi by 6. So what will be theta? Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times alpha, that is pi by 6, where n belongs to the set of integers. Well, this is the answer. Is this clear to you? So here I go for question number 3, sub part 2. It says cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Now this is cos of what? This is cos theta is equal to cos of pi by 6. And now I use the formula for cos, the second formula. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. ये formula use करेंगे, so this will give it. Therefore theta is equal to, now alpha की जगह पर pi by 6 है, so this is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Where n belongs to the set of integers. This is the answer to the second question. Okay. Third question I go for here. Question number 3, make a 3. Question number 3, sub part 3. Find the general solution of tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore this is tan theta is equal to, this is tan of pi by 6. tan of pi by 6. क्या बनेगा बताइए? Once again I use the start formula. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, let me substitute here. Therefore this will be theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 6, where n belongs to the set of integers. This is the answer to the fourth question. Okay, for the third question. Now, cot of theta is equal to 0. Question number 3, part 4. Cot of theta is equal to 0. Now, for cot of theta is equal to 0, but for tan theta is equal to 1 upon 0, that is equal to infinity. And therefore, I will get the formula. Tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 2. I will use the third formula here. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Let me use this formula. So when I use this will give me theta is equal to n pi plus alpha की जगह पर pi by 2, where n belongs to the set of integers. Well, this is the answer to the fourth question. Check if it is clear to you all. Okay, let me continue now. Well, question number 4 of part 1. Find the general solution for sec theta is equal to root 2. We don't have any formula for sec theta, so I'll convert it into cos theta. So this is cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. But we very well know that this is equal to cos of pi by 4. Cos theta is equal to cos of pi by 4. Formula number 2. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. General solution. All these formulae are for general solution. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Just substitute करो alpha की जगह पर pi by 4. Therefore theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4, where n belongs to the set of integers. Okay. Question number 4 make a 2. Check if it is clear to you all. 4 make a 2. Cosec theta is minus root 2. Cosec theta is equal to minus root 2. We do not have any formula for cosec theta, so I will convert this cosec into sine. Therefore sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. We very well know that this is equal to minus sine of pi by 4. Sin theta is equal to minus sine of pi by 4. But we also know that sine of pi minus theta is minus sine theta. I will make use of this formula, so this will become sine theta is equal to sine of pi minus pi by 4, and that will give me sine theta is equal to sine of 3 pi by 4. Sine of 3 pi by 4. Now I use this first formula. Sine theta is equal to sine alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times alpha. So alpha की जगह पर 3 pi by 4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए, क्या मिल जाएगा? अल्फा की जगह पर 3 pi by 4. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times alpha is 3 pi by 4, where n belongs to the set of integers. Check if it is clear to you all. Check if it is clear to you all. Let us go for the next question. Question number 4 subpart. Find the general solution for tan theta is equal to minus 1. Now that is equal to minus tan of pi by 4. Isn't it? And we very well know that tan of pi minus theta, second quadrant on silver teacup, is equal to minus tan theta. So by making use of this, ये कैसे चेंज होगा? So tan theta is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 4. That means tan theta is equal to tan of 3 pi by 4. Now I use the formula. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies theta. Third formula, n pi plus alpha. n pi plus alpha. Alpha के जगह पर 3 pi by 4. Theta is equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. That n belongs to the set of integers. N belongs to the set of integers. Okay, the next question. Question number 5, subpart 1. Sin 2 theta is equal to half. Sin 2 theta is equal to half. Now that is nothing but sine of pi by 6. Sin 2 theta is equal to sine of pi by 6. Okay? I use the first formula. Sin theta is equal to sine alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times alpha. थीटा की जगह पर 2 थीटा है. थीटा की जगह पर 2 थीटा. So 2 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n times alpha की जगह पर pi by 6 है. But I want theta, so divide this 2 इधर आएगा. Therefore theta is equal to n pi by 2 plus minus 1 raised to n times pi by 12, where n belongs to the set of integers. Please check whether this is clear to you all. Okay, let us switch over to the next question. Question number 5, maker 2. Find the general solution for tan of 2 theta by 3 is equal to root 3. Now we know that this is equal to tan of 60 degree. That is tan of pi by 3. This will become tan of pi by 3 is equal to tan of 2 theta upon 3. We use the third formula where tan theta is equal to tan alpha, and that implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Now that will be, therefore theta की जगह पर 2 theta by 3 is equal to n pi and alpha की जगह पर pi by 3. I will multiply this throughout by 3 by 2 लेकिन मुझे थीटा चाहिए, so theta is equal to 3n pi by 2 plus pi by 2, or in other words theta is equal to 3n plus 1 times pi by 2 where n belongs to the set of integers. This would be the answer. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Question number 5, subpart 3, parameter 3. Cot of 4 theta is equal to minus 1. Cot of 4 theta is equal to minus 1. Okay, therefore I don't have the formula for cot theta. I'll convert this into tan theta. So tan of 4 theta is equal to minus 1. Now that is nothing but ये होगा minus tan of pi by 4, isn't it? Tan of 4 theta is equal to minus tan of pi by 4. I'll use the formula. Tan of pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके ये क्या बन जाएगा? This will become tan of pi minus pi by 4. That is nothing but tan of 3 pi by 4. Tan of 3 pi by 4. Tan of 4 theta is equal to tan of 3 pi by 4. Now tan theta is equal to tan alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. थीटा की जगह पर 4 थीटा, थीटा की जगह पर 4 थीटा is equal to अल्फा की जगह पर n pi plus 3 pi by 4. I want theta, so I'll divide throughout by 4. So theta is equal to n pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 60, where n belongs to the set of integers. Well, this will be the answer. Check if it is clear to you. Okay, please check. Okay, now we go for the next question. Question number 6, make a 1. 4 cos square theta is equal to 3. Now square वाले term मतलब question formula number 4, 5 and 6. ये square वाली formula है. So I'll transfer this 4 here. Cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4, which is actually root 3 by 2 का square, and this is nothing but cos of pi by 6. So this is cos square theta is equal to cos square of pi by 6. Okay. Formula number 5. Cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, alpha की जगह पर है pi by 6. So what is this giving? Theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. N belongs to the set of integers. Okay, right. Question number 6 make a 2. 6 make a 2. क्या दिया है यहाँ पे? 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 4. That is 1 by 2 का square. Now that is nothing but sin square of pi by 6. Sin square theta is equal to sin square of pi by 6. Formula number 4. Sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha implies theta is equal to, all the formula, the outcome is same, n pi plus minus alpha. Substitute alpha की जगह पर pi by 6. Therefore theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6, where n belongs to the set of integers. This is the answer to the question. Please check whether this is clear to you all. Next question. Question number 6, make a 3. Cos 4 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Now here the approach is a little different. I'll transfer it on this side. So become cos 4 theta minus cos 2 theta is equal to 0. I use the formula for cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 साइन C माइनस D बाई D. ओके, बड़ा एंगल C, छोटा एंगल D. So this will become minus 2 sin 4 theta plus 2 theta by 2 into sin 4 theta minus 2 theta by 2 is equal to 0. That means minus 2 sin 3 theta into sin theta is equal to 0. Now this product is 0. That means either this is 0 या फिर ये 0, क्योंकि minus 2 तो 0 नहीं हो सकता. So sin 3 theta is equal to 0 or sin theta is equal to 0. Now I use this 7th वाला formula. Sin theta is equal to 0. क्या बोलता है formula? Formula बोलता है sin theta is equal to 0 implies theta is equal to n pi. याद रहे. और यहाँ पर भी same formula. So this will say theta is equal to n pi or this will say 3 theta is equal to n pi. अब दोनों को मुझे क्लब करना है. Theta is equal to n pi and theta is equal to n pi by 3. So I will club this and I will write this as theta is equal to n pi by 3 where n belongs to the set of integers. This would be the appropriate answer for the question. Please check. दोनों को क्लब करके मुझे यही आएगा. Okay, because I have to choose the solution which takes care of both. तो इसमें n pi भी हो जाएगा. Okay, like n pi मतलब आएगा pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर n is equal to 9 के लिए n is equal to 3 के लिए pi आएगा, n is equal to 6 के लिए 2 pi आएगा, n is equal to 9 के लिए 3 pi आएगा. So this solution takes care of this solution also. So दोनों का combined solution आएगा n pi by 3. Please check. Okay. Next question number 7 में करो. Find the general solution for sin theta is equal to tan theta. So this is little different. I convert everything into sin and cos. So this is sin theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. We feel like to cancel sin theta. Please do not cancel sin theta, because when you cancel sin theta, you will be cancelling or you will be removing one of the solutions. Okay, so don't cancel sin theta here, cross multiply. So this will give me sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin theta. अगर आप sin theta cancel करते हो तो उसमें से आप एक solution remove कर रहे हो. Transfer it here. This will become sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 0. Take sin theta common. Cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Now therefore sin theta is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 1. अब हम इसको लिखेंगे that is nothing but cos theta is equal to cos 0. दो अलग अलग फॉर्मूले अप्लाई होंगे. यहाँ पर होगा sin theta is equal to 0, 7th वाला फॉर्मूला implies theta is equal to n pi. तो यहाँ पर आएगा थीटा इज इक्वल टू n pi और यहाँ पर जो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे वो होगा cos theta is equal to cos alpha. सेकेंड फॉर्मूला cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Alpha is 0 here implies theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. This is what we get here. So this theta is equal to 2n pi प्लस माइनस 0, मतलब थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2n pi. तो इसके हिसाब से थीटा के वैल्यूज क्या होंगे? इसके हिसाब से थीटा के वैल्यूज होंगे पाई, 2 पाई, 4 पाई, 6 पाई एक्सेट्रा. वेराज इसके हिसाब से थीटा के वैल्यूज क्या होंगे? पाई, 2 पाई, 3 पाई, 4 पाई, सब डॉट. तो यहाँ पर ये सारे वैल्यूज कवर हो रहे हैं. सो विच इज द सॉल्यूशन विच विल टेक केयर ऑफ बोथ? ये, क्योंकि इसके अंदर 2 पाई, 4 पाई, 6 पाई भी है. सो द आंसर इज थीटा इज इक्वल टू n पाई where n belongs to the set of integers. This is the answer. Is this okay? Check if it is clear to you all. Okay, we go for the next question now. Question number 7, we got 2. Tan cube theta is equal to 3 tan theta. Let's see. So as I told you, please do not cancel tan theta, otherwise you will be cancelling one of the solution. I will translate on this side. So become tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta is equal to 0 tan theta is common. So this will become tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0. And that will give me what? So it will be tan theta is equal to 0. Or tan square theta is equal to 3. मतलब रूट 3 का स्क्वायर, मतलब दिस इज tan of 60 degree pi by 3. So this is tan square of pi by 3. Tan square theta is equal to tan square of pi by 3. यहाँ पर होगा फॉर्मूला नंबर 9 लास्ट वाला. क्या बोलता है? tan theta is equal to 0 implies theta is equal to n pi. ओके, तो यहाँ पर आंसर आएगा theta is equal to n pi. और यहाँ का होगा फॉर्मूला नंबर 6 tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha implies theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Alpha is pi by 3. So it should become theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. ठीक है, तो ये अब दोनों मुझे क्लब करने हैं, ये दोनों. तो मैं इसको n के जगह पर आई कैन कॉल दिस एज n पाई, और फाइनल सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? देखो थीटा इज इक्वल टू n पाई और थीटा इज इक्वल टू m पाई प्लस माइनस पाई बाय 3, where m and n both belong to the set of integers. ऐसा आप लिख सकते हो. अदरवाइज यहाँ पर n लिखा तो भी चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा. n belongs to the set of integers. So this is the answer. Please check whether this is clear to you all. Okay, we go for the next question. Question number 7, make a 3. Now for this question, the approach is little different. I will multiply throughout by 1 upon root 2. I will multiply throughout by 1 upon root 2. I will write this root 2 as cos of pi by 4, and this 1 upon root 2, and this 1 upon root 2 as sin of pi by 4, so that this is cos pi by 4 cos theta plus sin pi by 4 sin theta is equal to cos of pi by 4 for this 1 upon. Now this is of the type cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is equal to cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B. So I'll write this as cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to cos of pi by 4. And here now I use the second formula. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha implies theta is equal to 2n pi प्लस माइनस अल्फा. तो इन दिस केस थीटा की जगह पर ब्रैकेट है, ये थीटा माइनस पाई बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 2n पाई प्लस माइनस अल्फा की जगह पर पाई बाय 4. अब ये प्लस के लिए अलग आएगा, माइनस के लिए अलग आएगा. सो दिस विल बिकम थीटा माइनस पाई बाय 4 हो जाएगा. 2n पाई प्लस पाई बाय 4 प्लस पाई बाय 4. अगर इसको हम प्लस लिया तो, और अगर माइनस यहाँ पे लिया तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2n पाई माइनस पाई बाय 4 प्लस पाई बाय 4. ये तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, पाई बाय 4 प्लस पाई बाय 4 पाई बाय 2. सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2n पाई प्लस पाई बाय 2 और 2n पाई, where n belongs to the set of integers. This is the answer. Please check whether this is clear to you all.